Dali na naman. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, it's me again, Kat, and welcome back to another vlog. For today's video, I will be unboxing all the PR gifts that I received lately. Here they are behind me. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. I would like to thank all the brands na nagpadala sa akin ng packages. I'm really grateful to you guys. Sobrang napapasaya niyo ako. It feels like my birthday all the time kapag nag-open ako ng gifts. Kaya sobrang saya ko lang. Parang bata lang ganun. I think I need to clear these stuff first para medyo malinis tingnan. Okay, let's start! I'm going to start with this one because I kinda opened it a few days ago. Fitbar has finally have a new flavor, and that's the tiramisu. They call it the tiramisu delight. Ayan o. The reason why I love this so much kasi mahilig ako sa kape. Ayan, bukas na siya. For those who doesn't know yet, this is a nutritious snack made with oats and source of fiber. May real extract siya ng coffee. This is a cereal bar with coffee. Tiramisu delight. Fitbar, guys. Thank you so much, Fitbar. This one is from Caronia. Meron pa pala siyang box sa loob. So, this is the Beauty and Bronze selection. So, open it. Medyo na-misplaced. Okay, tanggalin na lang natin to para mas makita nyo. So, more on nude color siya, which I love. Mahilig talaga ako sa mga nudes. Shades niya, we have the taupe, touch of beige, golden bronze, Tahiti brown, touch of jan? Tama ba? Rainbow, touch of tan. Hindi jan, tan. Touch of tan, rainbow tan. Those are the shades. Sobrang ganda. Thank you guys. Thank you, Caronia. This one here is from Maybelline. Super Stay Matte Ink Summer Spiced Collection. Mahigat yung pag-open. Oh, this one is collaboration with Sesa. Ayan o. Ah! Oh my God! I love Sesa also kasi. Wow! Okay. Tuwan-tuwa. Sunset Chaser Super Stay Matte Ink. This is the ink crayon. Super Stay ink crayon. This is the matte ink. Super Stay matte ink. Oh, ang cute! Crayon talaga yung itsura niya. Check. The one sa baba, yun yung crayon. Now, we're going... Oh, meron pa pala! Dami pa palang matte ink lippies here. Kanina, the shade is the shaker. This one is the shaker. Ink crayon na no limits. This one is the fighter shade. And the third one sa baba. This is the fighter. Amazonian. There. Amazonian. Yung last one is the Globetrotter. Here. Hirap na hirap. Mga tuloy yung damit ko. We are going to open Sesa. Oh my gosh! It's pink! Oh, cute! Thank you, guys. Okay, this one is from Tokyo Posh. Tokyo Posh Hair Shield Hair Sanitizer. So this is a hair sanitizer. 99.9 germ protection, alcohol-free, non-drying, anti-frizz, conditioning. So, try natin. Okay. So this is the actual bottle. Try natin. In fairness, mabango siya ha. Sanitize natin ng buo yung hair natin. Kailangan natin to. It's very important to be sanitized these days. Sanitation is very important. Okay. Tawanan nyo na lang yung trip ko, guys. Oh! Meron akong gift voucher and it's 5,000 pesos! Thank you, guys! Next is from Roxy. They gave me a tanning oil from Beach Hut. Matry nga to kasi I really want to be tan. So there are these stickers and discount vouchers. Both 500, so 1,000 in total. From Beach Hut is a sunscreen, 100 plus SPF. Dry bag. Eco bag siguro to. Yep. I knew it. Roxy Girls Love Gifts. Totoo yun. I love gifts. Wait lang. Baba natin. Off-shoulders kasi to eh. So, dapat off-shoulders. Is this a bikini top or a sports bra? Anyway, ang ganda. Rash guard. Oh, this is the bikini bottom. Is this... Wow. Nice top. It's adjustable also. Here, oh, ayan. Thank you so much, Roxy. Thank you. This is from La Boîte. Tama ba? I think it's La Boîte. Diba French yan? La Boîte. So this is it. Very nicely packed. Ang nice ng seal niya, no? I think this is wax. Ang bango. Wait lang. Parang kape to. It's so nice. Look, oh. Sabi ko na may kape. So this is the, ano siya? The Busy Bean Coffee Company. Here. Ayan, oh. Oh, this is cute. Sobrang liit. Ang ganda. Ang cute niya. Nakalendar. Of course, may dried flowers pa rin tayo from La Boîte. This is lemon meringue. Mga tea. Paano to? I'll figure out this later. Ang ganda. Oops. For these chocolates, okay, sumabog na sila. Ano pa ba? Oh. Ay, ang ganda. I don't know, what do you call this nga ba? I forgot what do you call this, pero it's so nice. Thank you so much. It's so pretty. Clothes naman from Nola Clothing. Yeah. Cute. Ano ba to? Parang baby blue, powder blue. Mint blue. Mint blue ata to. It's this one. Yeah, another dress. Off-shoulders. Pwede rin hindi off-shoulders. Up to you. Paano mo siya suotin. Oh, it's still a dress. It's a knitted na dress. Nice, oh. Thank you, Nola. Next is from Tattoo Mundo. They have new designs. I'm really grateful na I'm always on their list. Ang cute nito. Just in time for summer. Pang beach siya. Monsters. Cute. Eto, mga black and white. I'm gonna wear this pag nag-beach ko ulit. Thank you so much, Tattoo Mundo. Next is from Avon. Mabigat siya, guys. Mabigat. Ang dami! Mga lotion. Body spray. Body spray. Body spritz. CC body, CC cream, mga soaps. Ito, Avon Naturals. Shampoo and conditioner. Avocado, macadamia, na variant. Ano ba yung kanina? Coconut oil and amino protein. Lotion, green papaya and calamansi. Another lotion. A very big lotion. So, yung CC body kanina. Meron pang lotions. Body spritz, CC cream, makeup, foundation, lipsticks, more lipsticks, mascara, eyebrow, pencil. Ang dami! Thank you so much, Avon! You always remember me. Ang dami ko na namang stock. Thank you! This one is from Nivea. Look niyo yung packaging niya. Ipait na to eh. Oops, naglag. There. This is from Castro. Kapag sa Castro, they always have the cutest, most creative, and functional na PR kits. I swear. Lahat nagiging storage. Nagagamit ko pa. Hindi sila natatapon. Anyway, I love sunscreen. Kung alam nyo lang, sobrang addict ko. They gave me this anti-age and anti-pigments. 0% white residue. UV face BB. Sun, protect, and moisture. Moisturizing sun and collagen protection SPF 50. And smaller version on face cream. Yay! Thank you so much, Nivea. Ito, it's also from Nivea. It says, glow, get it, girl. See, I told you, pag Castro talaga, everything is functional. Pwede ba siya maging mirror? You just have to remove these stickers. These are the products inside. Whoop, 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 whoop. Easy, easy, easy. 3-in-1 caring cleanser. Yeah, I have 2 of them. Fair and Glow. Ito yung whip foam. I have them in 3. They also sent me this scrunchie, cute scrunchie. Thank you so much, Nivea, again. Thank you. Next one is from Gray. Oh my god, Gray! So love their frames. I think they got the license not to print famous artwork from famous artists. Here! Dalawa to eh. Here! Tanggalin natin yung bubble wrap. Here they are! This one is made by Henry Matisse. Ito, Picasso. Thank you so much, Gray! I love you guys! Kikilig ako! Next one is Love Shoe Beauty. So, this one is from a friend of mine. Congratulations nga pala on your business. Ang bango! Anong scent yun? Parang alam ko yun ah. Cute naman yung resibo. Sticker. Card. Here it is! Scrunchy. Hydrating Whip Soft Matte Lip Cream. Ah, nice packaging. Social. Oh, nice shade ha. Ayan o. We also have a mirror. Lashes. Luxury lashes, by the way. Great 20. Baka yun yung shade. Oh, ito yung water tint. Sabi shake well before use. Makikita siya. Oh, pink na pink ako. Lakas mga baby. Very nice. Lip gloss. It says crystal gloss. Eto, pwede ko to isuot on my... Isuot talaga. Pwede ko to ilagay sa lips ko. Love it. And meron din tayo pala nito. Hindi ko sila nakita kasi nasa gilid. Thank you so much, Love Shoe Beauty. Hoshu. Hi, congratulations again. This one is from Inspi. And I'm so excited kasi Disney siya. I'm a Disney fan. Oh my gosh! Marvel siya! Super fan ako ng Marvel. Yung MCU. Captain America shirt. Avengers Day. Iron Man! I love Iron Man, si Tony Stark. Fun fact yun, sobrang addict ako sa MCU. Thank you so much, Inspi! You made me happy today. Next is from Suvi. Nice, diba? This color. The other one is coordinate set, but nude color. This is the top, and this is the skirt. So, yeah. Abangan nyo na lang sila sa mga OOTD photos ko on my Instagram. Thank you so much, Suvi! Ito guys, ang dami nito. Nung pinadala sa akin to, nagulat ako, ang dami. It's from Calvi. Calvi, collaboration with iFlix. Binge Bento. Patingin nga! How to open this? Oh! Meron tayong wasabi, potato chips na classic salted, honey butter, and potato chips na cheddar and sour cream. This is the Axis yung QR code. And this is valid until March 31. I think same lang sila nung ibang boxes. Yeah, same din. So, lahat ng boxes na to, 5 boxes of Calbee snacks. All the 4 flavors here. The binge kit you deserve. Thank you so much, Calbee and iFlix. May pa-free iFlix pa kayo, ha? Thank you, guys! Last but not the least, this is from Tourism Authority of Thailand. Nalagay dun, Amazing Thailand. Ang ganda ng packaging, ha? Very Thailand. Wow! Snacks! We have here seaweed snack. Here, Thai jasmine rice snack, the sour cream and cheddar cheese, and nori seaweed wasabi. I also got Money Gold. I love Money Gold. It's a premium coffee wafers. Yep. Banana chips. This is a seafood snack. It says bento. Thai beer. It comes with 3 beers. Singha. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. Singha, the original Thai beer. Blanket. Yeah, it is. So they also gave me a list of Thai shows that are available sa Netflix. I'm going to eat all the snacks they provided, they sent to me. I am really looking forward to visit Thailand. As soon as everyone is permitted na, I will really go to Thailand. Thank you so much, Tourism Authority of Thailand. I'll visit Thailand soon. Baka naman. Charot. Na-open na ata natin lahat ng PR gift. That's all for today's video. Madami-dami na rin naman na akong na-open. So, I think this is enough. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. Thank you to all the brands. I really appreciate you for sending me your product. I'm so happy because of you guys. I'll wrap up the video from here. Again, thank you so much and I'll see you on my next vlogs.